응? 그래, 그래.
これ個人これも個人
아, 지금. 그렇지, 100개는. 그래,
Our fortune telling. We got simple token. What's the meaning of this? 意味は
大吉。一番いいやつ。
Wow, super lucky. This means super lucky this year. Guys, this is like a fortune telling. So if you have bad luck or not so good fortune, あまり良くないこれくじがここに入れて置いて一番いいです。それお願いするから。kapag ka hindi, if your fortune is not so good or bad luck, you can put it here for like for the God, onegai shimasu. Please make my fortune be good or okay. Okay? Nilalagay nila yung fortune nila, yung papel dito para i-wish yung God dito na gawing maayos yung fortune nila. Pero ako is die. So I have a good fortune. Yan, Ichibang number one. Good fortune for this year. Thank you. So, I'm not going to leave it here kasi okay naman siya. Kaya dadaling ko siya sa aking wallet or sa aking bag. Ayun. Thank you guys. I hope you learned something today.